guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. It is currently Tuesday morning. I'm in the car. I'm headed to the gym. So sorry about these trash bags back there. I'm literally taking them to Goodwill. I did a huge closet clean out. I got rid of so many bags, so they're sitting in my car until I take them to Goodwill. So hopefully today I'll do that. But I'm filming a what I eat in a day today, and I wanted to show you guys what I'm having for a snack before the gym. So this honestly just depends if I'm hungry that morning. Like yesterday morning I went to the gym at 7 and I wasn't hungry at all until maybe 11 a.m. So it just kind of depends on the morning. I'm feeling pretty hungry this morning, so I brought an apple, and then also I brought these 2 protein balls that I made 2 days ago. If you guys want the recipe, I might do it in a vlog, so let me know if you guys are interested. But they're super good. They're moist, and these are cinnamon and vanilla. I also made a coffee flavored one, but I don't think those are as good. But I really hope that you guys would subscribe to my channel because I post videos a couple times a week. And make sure you like this video if you end up enjoying it. But right now, let's go to the gym. Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So I am starting off my morning with these Opti Greens by First Form. They're Opti Greens 50. Okay, I need to rave about this product, so I bought this product. This is not sponsored or promoted in any way. This is just one of my absolute favorite products. So a friend of mine actually recommended them. Literally what they do is give you your vegetable intake for the entire day, which is especially great if you're traveling or you're not good at getting in your greens every day, because this will give it to you. So the recommended doses, it says add 2 scoops to 8 ounces of cold water or juice, but I only use 1 scoop per 8 ounces, so I don't know. If you use 2, I feel like the taste is a little bit overbearing. The taste is definitely not bad. So it says it's a natural berry flavor. I don't know, but this product is a little bit pricey. I'm gonna leave it in the description box, but it is worth it, especially if you bloat a lot. So I am not kidding when I say I took this product when I was bloating one day, and it was like a miracle. I literally got rid of the bloating within minutes of taking this, which is insane to me. And it does make you poop also. So if you're constipated or something, might be TMI, I'm sorry, but that's just what health is. Take this. I'm telling you, this is worth it. I think it's around $60, but holy cow, it is worth it. So this is what it looks like. It doesn't really look or smell that appetizing, but this is a legit product that I highly recommend. Not sponsored at all. But on that note, I'm going to go ahead and move you guys a little bit. So I have you on the tripod right now, so I'm going to put the legs down. I just want to get like a better angle, I feel. Okay, maybe that's better, I don't know. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off with eggs and turkey bacon like every other day of my life. I'm pretty sure my egg poacher's in the dishwasher. Yes, it is. I'm gonna wash that. And then I'm going to start off my morning with some poached eggs and turkey bacon. If you guys watch my vlogs or if you watch my videos, what I eat in a day, so you guys would know that I literally have eggs and turkey bacon every single day in the morning for like my life. Like I'm telling you, it is my favorite meal. It keeps me really full because it's full of fats. So that's good, gives me energy and gets my brain going because we gotta do some work today. If you've never used an egg poacher before, so all you do is put water into this little like pan, I guess, and then you start boiling this, and then you put your egg in this one and then put the lid on, if that makes sense. But I really feel like my egg poacher gives me the best type of egg, because I don't know if it's just me, but when I do eggs in a regular pan, I get like a really crispy edges on the egg. Oh my god, I feel like such an egg loser for saying this, but the edges get like super crispy and you can't eat those edges. Well, I know, I don't really like that, but the egg poacher like makes a good, well-cooked egg. So I highly recommend getting an egg poacher if you guys are like egg fanatics like me. That is how you do it. I just chug it and it actually does make you kind of full. Honestly, not that bad. It's not what you think it would taste like. I feel like you can taste more of the natural berry flavor that they tell you instead of the greens, but it's not that bad. It has like a sweet flavoring. It's kind of interesting, but my bacon is done, so let's go check it out. Oh, perfecto. Oh, it's so hot. So hot. I need a towel. So hot, so hot, so hot. Oh my gosh. It's a struggle one-handed. Oh yeah, that turkey bacon looks so good. And then our egg is not done yet. But yeah, the eggs take a longer time, but worth it, I promise. Well guys, I already messed up. I was so excited to tell you guys about my egg poacher, and girlfriend forgot the cooking spray, so it kind of stuck. So the presentation is so-so, but it's still good. I just got dressed and ready. Well, sort of dressed. I was wearing this, but put my makeup on, got ready. So I'm gonna film my YouTube video. And now I'm just snacking on these roasted pumpkin seeds. I like them with salt. You definitely don't have to get them with salt, but I just find that they are so good to have at midday when you want to snack. So I'm gonna snack on those, film this YouTube video, and then after that I'm gonna get lunch. It is about noon right now, so I'll probably eat lunch within the hour, and I'll show you guys what I do then. Okay, so on the menu for lunch today is just that salad you guys saw me prep with French dressing, and it's creamy French, 2 cuties, and then a side of pickles because I'm weird like that. But that is going to be my lunch. To be completely honest, I'm feeling a little bit sluggish. It's around 2:45, and I think I even may make a cup of coffee because I am just like not feeling any of the work I'm doing right now. So that pretty much just means I need to get up, take a break, and do something. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get something else in my body too, because while that salad was pretty good, it only filled me up for a little bit. So I'm gonna make some coffee, see if I can get a little bit of an afternoon pick-me-up. What do you want, doggy? And then also get some food into my body a little bit more, and we'll see how I feel after. But I just feel very meh, and it's literally for no reason. It's probably just because I didn't get that much sleep last night because The Bachelor was on until 10, and I didn't end up going to bed till 11:30, and then I got up pretty early. But anyway, I'm gonna go make some more coffee and do that, and then I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Coffee, 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 yes please. Okay, going back to the good old days. I haven't had these forever, but these are the multigrain little sandwich skinnies things. They are 100 calories, and I mean, it's not the best thing that I could have, but it's not the worst either, and I just kind of want some more substance right now. But I'm gonna make a ham and cheese, which is not dairy, so that's not good, but we're just gonna go with it because that's life. And mustard. So this is a carbier meal, but then for dinner tonight I'm gonna make this buffalo chicken casserole, so that'll be good, and probably some veggies. So I'll talk to you guys then, but right now this is just gonna be my little snack mid-afternoon. Very cute, but dogs are walked. It's pretty cold outside if you couldn't tell, and it is almost 4 o'clock, so now I think I'm gonna make some of that buffalo chicken casserole stuff, and we'll see how it goes. Okay guys, I am here in the kitchen now. These are the ingredients that I'm using for the buffalo chicken casserole, but first I have to make or bake this spaghetti squash. I have never baked spaghetti squash before, but but I did look online how to bake it, so I feel pretty confident. It sounds pretty easy, but we're gonna try it and let's do it. Oh my god, this thing is not wanting to go. Let's try a smaller knife. Oh my gosh. Guys, are you supposed to freeze or refrigerate spaghetti squash? I'm gonna end up in the hospital. Like, this is intense. Okay, this is what the casserole looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in here, and I'll probably end up broiling it. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. I'll probably end up broiling it at the end just so the top gets a little bit more baked, but I'm curious to see how this turns out. It could either go good or bad. Okay, it's still sizzling, but this is fresh out of the oven. I thought I would do a little taste test. It is still steaming. It's really hot. Maybe 1 minute. I can't even see you.
Oh.
Rave.
Hello.
I'm doing a taste test. Has some spice to it. I guess from the buffalo, but it's not as bad as I thought it would be. For dessert, I'm having a whole grapefruit. That is one of my favorite fruits. Again, my warm lemon water. I had one this morning. And then also I do have these 2 collagen pills. So I attribute collagen pills to the growth of my hair and like the healthiness of my hair, skin, and nails. So I take those right now while I am eating that. But now it's just chill time. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. It is now almost 7 o'clock. So I am going to be peacing out. Might watch some YouTube videos or start a new show on Netflix. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because I post videos twice a week. And like this video if you did enjoy this. Let me know if you guys want to see more of these because it's really fun for me to make. And I like filming what I eat and I really love cooking. So it's super fun for me. But with that, I will see you guys next week. Bye!